Good morning, boys and girls and parents. My name is Josh and I'll be presenting to you why I should be recruiting people to Mars. My topic is that I'm trying to recruit people to journey to Mars. This is important to the whole entire human race. This is why we need to colonize in different planets and to test the conditions if people can live there and if any future people can have a place to extend their life in the world. Unfortunately, the Earth won't be a thing forever. What I have learned. Throughout this honest term, I have learned a lot about space and rocket design. I realized that in space there could possibly be life that could live there on Mars. I've also learned about how to design different types of rockets and different things off the air and stuff about the different planets. Our brain might not be able to comprehend what we can do now, but in later generations, I believe we'll be able to travel and live in space. What I have learned too. I have mostly learned about what life on the ISS would be and the living conditions in space. Life would be difficult with the variety of food and water and all different supplies in space than to what we have on Earth. For examples, instead of normal food, it is canned and packaged food. On the ISS, there is not much of a supply of water. This means that they need a way of recycling on the ISS. One of the ways they get water is taking human pee and putting it through a boiler. It is also centrifuged to create water vapor and then put through a filter to get all of the water clean. They then get the humidity and mix that with the pee and water and filter it until they are happy with the water and when it's clean. JN85, my rocket. The main components we need is including food, water, exercise, fuel, resting space, computers, spare parts, signal, beds, toilets and showers. Those are the main, and these are the things we want on the rocket. These include gaming rooms, prayer space, Mexican burrito bar, restaurant, lounge room, TV room, and a fake outside area. They are everything we need and want on the JN85 spacecraft. These are the real materials on real rockets: aluminium, titanium, metal coating, metals, bulletproof glass, wire, strong iron, hinges, aerospace-grade aluminium, and welder. These are the fake materials: aluminium foil, cardboard, black-colored cardboard, plastic, cloud wrap, string, tape, styrofoam, white cardboard, and hot glue. I have chosen these materials because they are really easy to handle and match the real deal. These materials are easy to glue to things as well. That is my blueprint. That's the digital blueprint. This is my final product. My product turned out really well and it has a navigation tower, a charging dock and 2 rooms. The rooms are toilet, bedroom and also food and water. 3 good qualities about my model. One of the good qualities is definitely the charging and fuel dock. This is amazing as it looks like it can actually have fuel going through it. The second is definitely the navigation tower because it has actual circuit boards going through it and it looks like it is actually navigating and recording the rocket's movements. The third is the 2 window rooms. These have a clear picture of the things in the rooms. This is clearly what you need on a rocket. The things that were difficult and the best things. One of the things that worked well with my project is that the rocket is perfectly the right size for the charging dock. This is really good, otherwise my project would have failed. The best thing is that the navigation actually has circuit boards and it looks like an actual working computer and technical controls. The worst thing would have to be trying to glue and cut all the things together because of all the different sizes and the different shapes. In conclusion, it was pretty hard. And that's the end. Thank you.